Throwers 10 is a strengthening program that focuses on the shoulder complex musculature. It specifically provides strength, endurance, and power for the shoulder musculature. Throwers 10 is utilized for any athlete who is an overhead sport or considered overhead sport.
So we're here with Esme. She's a baseball pitcher. One of the exercises that we're going to do in the Throwers 10 is going to be more of a body weight exercise. So it should be a traditional push-up. So you're going to have her go ahead and get on all hands and knees and sort of get into that push-up position. You can go ahead and then they'll go down, making sure that the back is completely straight. We can also modify it to where the patient's on their knees if it is a little bit harder, and then just doing that push-up there. What this is doing is basically for the pec major and minor, sort of the anterior stabilizer of the shoulder, to help with decreasing any injuries that would be there. 3 sets of 10, like a standard, and then we're doing it twice a day with the Throwers 10.
All right, so we have Josh here, who is a left-handed pitcher, and we are going to be working on some strengthening exercises for him and maybe a little bit of stability as well with a banded exercise here. So this is a part of Throwers 10. So we're going to have him do a shoulder PNF, the D2 resistance exercise. So he's going to start with his left hand crossing over his body, kind of like he's going to pull out a sword. His thumb is going to go out and up towards the ceiling. Perfect. And then he's going to turn his thumb down and go back towards across his body. So he's going to do 3 sets of 10 for this and keep a nice straight arm with this. It's going to strengthen his trapezius, all fibers of the trapezius, as well as the serratus anterior. And he will be doing this at least 5 days out of the week.
Okay, so now for this exercise, we're going to be using weight, and it's part of the Throwers 10. It's also strengthening. The goal for this exercise, the supination and pronation, is to strengthen everything on the forearm, so your extensors and flexors, and as well as your biceps, all your stabilizers, and your extensors and your flexors are really important when you're throwing because you're utilizing your elbow and the deceleration phase as well. So I'm gonna have Jill kind of come out with her forearm, keeping her forearm flat on the ground, sitting up straight. I'm then gonna have her start palm facing up and then go all the way down. And then I'm gonna have you come all the way back up, all the way down, and all the way back up. She'll be doing 3 sets of 10. She'll be doing this about 3 times a day daily, making sure that her forearm is straight on the ground and her back is straight.